Welcome, guys. What's up, Crypto Fud? All right, let's jump right into this, man. So, last night, my gosh, I just knew yesterday. If you haven't watched my video from yesterday, we were technically up here in this channel, and I knew something was coming. I knew it. You could just see it. The writing was on the wall. Obviously, we didn't know if it was going to maybe break to the upside or break to the downside, but I did say, and I quote, that I was if I had to guess and put my money, it was going to be towards the downside, just because it's the way the market's been looking lately. I'm not saying that we're not still in a bullish narrative. I just think that there's just a lot of stuff going on right now, and the fact that this was towards the end of the night in America. I'm thinking that this was probably on the other side of the world, a big sell off, most likely. We're gonna have to see how the stock market does today. The DXY technically is down 15 cents, so maybe we'll see some kind of a recovery today, a quick recovery back to at least these levels that we were at. But Dogelon currently sitting at 3.8. I put out some lines just yesterday, and I said, this line right here was a big spot of some support, but not when there was going to be a flash crash. Looks like we technically went down. We broke under that zero point 0.5 fib, which was the the zero point 0.5 fibs pretty much at the 3.9 mark. And like I said, we're sitting at the 3.8. We pretty much went to this spot right here where there was some previous support. We didn't basically touch it, but we literally just touched it real fast around 3.7, 3.7 and a half, and we kind of have moved up, but nothing crazy. We're kind of looking like we want to consolidate in this mark that we're in right now. I'll zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. So you see how we went down? We kind of buyers came in, jumped in, but we're still having a little bit of a sell off. Again, this market that we're in right now is one of those markets or one of those times in the market that is just very, very uncertain. There's a lot of just fear, uncertainty, and doubt, right? FUD, something that we don't really want to deal with, but it's something that we have to with the territory that we're in. I said this yesterday and I'll say it again. Whenever things like this happen, it's an opportunity. Remember, you're in Dogelon for the long run. Unless you bought in, at the when this thing first dropped or whatever the case is, and you're up, 1,000%. Other than that, I know a lot of people have recently bought in or been holding for like a year, and this is a long-term play for them because eventually this will, play out. We don't know how much, but eventually this will make all-time highs. So with that being said, some levels just to kind of keep an eye on right now. This isn't a bad dollar cost averaging area that we're in right now. Not financial advice, but this could be a spot where you could just be adding to your bag, or the people that are sitting on the sidelines, this could be an opportunity for you to maybe get into the project. A lot of people are saying that we're going to maybe see some more downside. I've said this before and I'll say it again, that 618 is going to be that major spot. Luckily, we didn't even test it yet. So if we do see another major, like a giga drop like we did, it will probably be towards that 618, which would be around 3.5. I'm guessing that there would be a lot of support there. Buyers will come in, support, and bring us maybe up, nothing crazy up, but maybe back up to this line right here at the 3.7, where we had some support before. Basically, where we bounced, maybe could be some flipped into some resistance. That's just bringing you the bear news, not spreading any bear FUD or anything like that. I just want to keep you guys prepared. Again, use this as an opportunity. This is a long-term play. This is something that when last night when I saw everything going down, I was like, holy crap. At the same time, I started putting in buys, adding to my bag on certain things, looking at certain projects that I missed out on, because not saying this is going to be the last opportunity, but this is an opportunity that I see for right now in the short term that I could be getting into projects or adding to my bag on whatever projects that I have currently. So again, we'll have to see how whenever the market opens up. The DXY is down slightly. It's nothing crazy, but it is down slightly. So that gives me a little, indication that the actual market might do okay when it opens up in a few hours. We'll have to map it out. If the market comes out and it just starts dumping, be prepared. it might take crypto down with it, like I said, and we might be testing the 618, which is the 3.5 mark. And that would be a solid spot, not financial advice, but to add to your bag or possibly get into the project if you're waiting. Other than that, I'm going to keep it there. I just wanted to come up with a quick update for everybody. Again, as things move up or down, I will continue to make videos, even if it's multiple videos on the same project every day. Make sure you guys are subscribed so you can get these instant alerts. Thank you.